We're going to change out a mass air sensor, a BMW X3 2013. So we were getting readings of engine light was on, oxygen too rich, or the fuel was too rich. So it might be the airflow sensor. We cleaned it out one time. I got this at the auto parts store. No cheap plugs here. And brought my T20. Okay, so got my T20. As you can see, there we go, we'll get nice and close. The part comes, it's pretty plug and play. I am no mechanic, but the part here comes just like that with no like little wires or anything. So I assume you take the thingy out. There you go. Got that out of the way. Now you can see this part right here is rounded and this part's square. So that'll be the way it goes in. So this part was like 250 bucks. But at BMW, they wanted to charge like 460 or something like that. So I didn't buy it at BMW. In here. It's fall in Northern Virginia. So I don't even know what this is going to look like. Let's see. The place, I had them do a diagnostics check on it. They said that they had cleaned out the sensor. Let's see. Yeah, it's exactly the same sensor. Okay. Well, here we go. All right, just slip right in there. It's just like hand tight, you know, it just has to, it's got a little gasket on there. And it's done. So, next time you got to change out your mass air sensor in your BMW X3 2013 28i 4-cylinder. That's how you do it. We'll see you.